In the recent days, Apple has made many big announcements about its new iPhone series for this year. Apple announced the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus during their Far Out Apple event. These devices could easily be mistaken for their predecessors, minus the larger 6.7-inch model. Despite minimal external updates, Apple pushed these base models forward with several user-facing updates and quality-of-life improvements. The iPhone 14 Pro lineup saw more significant changes that widened the gap between Pro and base models, but customers have a clear through line for features and prices from top to bottom. Apple has continued the approach of offering identical feature sets across models in the same device class. Therefore, there are no exclusive features for the larger iPhone 14 Plus, besides the display size and battery life. Note that there isn't an iPhone mini in this generation. The 5.4-inch display size was eliminated in favor of the larger 6.7-inch model, allegedly due to a lack of demand for smaller iPhones. Display type of both the series is same, and display size is 6.7 and 6.2 inches respectively. Screen-to-body ratio is 88.4% and 86%, and not much difference in resolution. Aspect ratio is same for both iPhone 13 and 14, while there is slight difference in their screen density. Both the series are scratch resistant and have ceramic glass, while chipset is different. 14 series has a 16 Bionic, and 13 series has a 15 Bionic. GPU of both the series is of Apple. iPhone 14 runs on iOS 16, and 13 series runs on iOS 15. Camera difference is as following. Camera recording for both series 14 and 13 is same for front and back camera also. No external memory card slot, with different internal memory for both the series, and RAM is also different for both of them. The battery size has been increased for the new iPhone 14 series, and speed of fast charging is also enhanced and increased, with both series supporting wireless charging. Both iPhone 13 and 14 series supports 5G for faster internet connectivity. This year, also, 3.5mm jack is not included in the new series, so we have to connect our wireless earphones or headphones. The new iPhone 14 is quite heavy, and its body is made of stainless steel frame.